What's up guys, Josh from Xtreme Truck and Auto. Well, I got this Dodge up in the air. I wanted to shoot a real fast video over kind of track bars and drag links and the angles and suspension. I did put one on my Jeep, but that has been taken off. There is a reason behind that. I will get into it a little bit on the video. Let's get into it. All right, so peeking up under this Dodge, we have a drop Pitman arm as well as a drop track bar bracket. It's not 100% necessary to do if you're lifting a vehicle, but the reason why we do it is to keep the drag link and the track bar as close to the factory angle as we can, keeping the vehicle handling as close to factory as we can. You don't want to do one of these without the others. Now, I had mentioned that I had done the Pitman arm on my Jeep, but I didn't do the track bar bracket because I had planned on doing an axle swap and relocating that track bar in a different location, bringing it up so that way, or dropping this side down so that way it would match the drop Pitman arm on my Jeep. But since that fell through, I took the Pitman arm back off the Jeep and put a factory one back on it, making these the same angle again. So what did I experience while I had just the drop Pitman arm on? I noticed a little bit of bump steer, and then when I would go over like dips or divots in the road, the Jeep would kind of rock back and forth like that. There's a reason it does this, and that is because when one of these is at a steeper angle than the other, what happens is the force applied to the body and the axle isn't the same. So the steeper the angle is, the more the axle is going to want to shift. So if you have one that's at a less of an angle than the other, basically the axle is going to want to shift and then your steering won't, or the other way around. So that's where you get bump steer and the body roll from. So just make sure when you guys are lifting it, if you put a drop Pitman arm on, you also do the drop track bar bracket as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to track bar drops, Pitman arm drops, and kind of keeping the angles the same. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.